Right, on the last video I didn't quite see. I decided to make a plate and put a piece of rubber behind it, just easier. I didn't actually show you because I didn't know that you couldn't see it on the video, but anyway, I pumped it up and there it is. It needs to hold that pressure. Then rotate the crank and it should pop up. There you go. See it moving? And it's staying there. And that's what you need. Now what we now need to do is a vacuum test to make sure that the seal's working on vacuum. So what we'll do is we'll just let that out. There you go. Tip it onto vacuum. Put it in there and we'll pump again. There we go, get to about 8. There we go. Oh, there you go, you can't see again. So we've got to try and leave it there now. See what happens. No, it shouldn't go down at all. Let's try and move the crank. Let's put a nut on there, make it a bit easier. There we go. So that's, there we go. And it goes straight back to where it's supposed to be. Oh, it's got good compression. So you see, we've rebuilt it, new crank bearings, crank seals, wanked off. We pressure and vacuum test it before we fit everything else up, so then we know that it's holding pressure under vacuum and under pressure. So we know that's good to go.